Good morning, students. Welcome back to another class of EVS. Today we are going to learn about healthy eating habits, good eating habits. There are many points for eating habits. Here, healthy eating habits. Our topic is healthy eating habits. There are many points, and first point is wash your hands and mouth before and after every meal. Okay, after eating your meals, you can wash your hands and mouth. Okay, before and after. Okay, before taking food and after eating food, you can wash your hands and mouth. Now second one, have your meals at a fixed time every day. Or second point is have your meals at a fixed time every day. Means you have proper time to eat. There are 3 times in a day to take your food. First, breakfast in the morning, and lunch afternoon, and third, dinner at night. Okay, these 3 times you can take your meals. There is a fixed time every day. You have to take your meals. And third one is never skip your breakfast. Never skip your breakfast means you have to take anything in the morning. Milk, tea, coffee, toast, bread, roti, etc. or biscuit. Whatever you want to eat, you can take anything. You have to eat anything in the morning. Okay, never skip your breakfast. And next point is eat a balanced diet, and junk food is not good for health. Means balanced diet. There are 3 kinds of food: energy giving food, protective food, and body building food. These kinds of food you can take in a right amount. That is a balanced diet. Okay, how much you want to eat, that much only you can take. Okay, eat a balanced diet means how much you want to eat, that amount you can take. The right amount to eat. For junk food is not good for health. What are the junk food? Chips, kurkure, burger, etc. These food you cannot eat. That is not good for your health. Next point is eat only fresh and clean food. You can eat only fresh and clean food, not any other food. If you eat, your stomach will get upset. Okay. here. Then next one is never waste food, or food never waste. How much you can eat, you know, then that amount you can take. Take only as much as you can eat. How much you need to take, that amount you can take there. That is why the food will not come waste. Next point is drink clean water. Always you have to drink clean water. Boil or filter it before drinking. You can drink clean water, or before drinking you can boil or filter. Okay, you can drink only clean water. And next point is brush your teeth in the morning and at night. You have to brush your teeth twice in a day. In the morning and at night, after getting up and before going to sleep. Okay, you have to brush your teeth in the morning and at night. Brushing helps to clean the bits of food stuck between our teeth. Why do you brush your teeth? Because it helps to clean the bits of food stuck between our teeth. After taking food, the bits of food will stuck between your teeth. Okay, then only after brushing, that bits of food will go from your teeth. Then only your teeth will become clean. Okay, these are the healthy eating habits. There are many points given here and you can learn any of 5. Okay, any of 5 you can learn. You can by heart from these healthy eating habits. Here, when we are hungry, we eat food. Okay. When we are hungry, then only we are taking food. Without hungry, we are not going to eat any food. After feeling hungry, we are taking or we are eating food. Food makes us grow, give us energy and make us strong. Food makes us grow or energy and makes us strong. Bodybuilding food makes our bones and muscles strong. Energy giving food gives us energy to work and play. Protective food prevents us from falling sick. There are 3 kinds of food. First, bodybuilding food that makes our bones and muscles strong, and second one is energy giving food that gives us energy to work and play, and the last one is protective food that prevents us from falling sick. You can eat daily fruits and vegetables. We must eat a balanced diet. The right amount you can take, and we must have healthy eating habits. I already told you there are many points. Healthy eating habits. We must have healthy eating habits. That habits you can follow today onwards. When you take your food, you can always follow these rules of healthy eating habits. Okay, now these are the healthy eating habits and you can learn from this healthy eating habits, any 5 of them. Okay. Learn 5 eating healthy habits. Thank you.